Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. And today I'm really excited, although I might not sound like, because I'm riding my new bike, the Expulse 200, and we are in Kunkulim right now and about to hit some trails in search of a water stream or a water spring. And you can see the beautiful views. The weather is amazing, perfect for a bike ride. And I'm following my friends Vishweta and Prithviraj on the bike ahead. And yeah, let's go have some fun today.
To find a small trail where we can have some fun with our expulses. I think this is the one. This looks pretty and very peaceful. So I'm just waiting for my friends to come back. There they are. So, एक पाय सकल काढ आणि घाल सोडून कसली मजा. हा खंय खंय पर्यंत वचपाचें? हा बरें. हा म्हणजे कोणाची प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी मागीर a little slippery right now. To go that bit slow.
Earlier, since it was a private property, we did not take our bikes any further. Although there was an option to walk, but it was a little far, so we decided to take a detour and find another way where we could actually take our bikes to the farthest point possible to the water stream. And we continued on with the ride.
Mostly cool. Sorry, bye. Dude. Yeah, एक minute. Yeah. Oh, that was good. दाखव गो असा आणि पुढे वाट असा राव ते मुयो होय चावले वाट ना मग अवय 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 हे काढ मच्छे मच्छे गाडी घातली कॅमेराचे हे बोय
हा बस करताना जीव तुझं
घालता हवे ते हा होतोय तसा दिसता त्यो हय there are a lot of ants over here as you can see these ants they bite the shit out of you hence we are running right now like mad people पटक वाईन शिरकली सावली एक्सेलरेट कर ए फिरती आती फूल चल मचा काढ बेगीन ओ बोय खूप असा पडला since there were a lot of ants on the other way we have decided to take a detour. The ants have bitten the shit out of us right now. This is a pretty good spot over here. I go to get my stick. Actually, I have it in my bag, but too lazy to get it out.
Since the rainy season has just started in Goa, the water level in the stream or the spring was really low. So we decided to go back home
Excuse me, please.
following the same trail.
सिरकली हात काढ जावची ना दोग जाण जाय तू अशी काढ हा बरो आयलो पाचेक करून रा माझे क्रॉक शिरकता
माझी बी
बाय बाय. कॅमेरा ऑन असा. हो. राव राव धर राव. नाही अशी काय एक्सेलरेट डी प्रीती. गेली चल. Let's go wash our legs and come back. रोमला जायला राहा हा. आता रोमका ना चढशे करून. Yes, we are back. We have cleaned our feet and we are ready to go.
सगळं कट्टू चढ वर झाला तो कॅमेरा वाजता सोडला.
Let's stand and try to ride. Get a hang of it for a few kilometers. Don't want to accelerate too hard out of the corners because I still haven't gotten used to this whole setup very well. Always advisable to keep a little distance. So now I'm going to overtake them. Look at this, guys. Waiting for a click.
After riding for a few more minutes, the trail ended and we reached the Kunkolim town. But the vlog ended suddenly because the camera got switched off due to low battery. But we really did have a lot of fun today and it was very exciting and adventurous. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. Until next time.